Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The replacement theory is generally used for the determination of the replacement period of machines, bulbs, vehicles, equipment, buildings, TV parts, etc. This theory has been used to determine the economic life pavement for a road project and a bridge project with a real case study.
Let's help you make your mark.
The replacement theory in operations research is used in the decision-making process of replacing a used equipment with a substitute, mostly a new equipment of better usage. The replacement might be necessary due to the deteriorating property or failure or breakdown of particular equipment.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Replacement cost is the price that an entity would pay to replace an existing asset at current market prices with a similar asset. If the asset in question has been damaged, then the replacement cost relates to the pre-damaged condition of the asset.
Take our lead.
2. Replacing in groups. There are certain items which do not deteriorate but fail completely after certain amount of use. These kinds of failures are analyzed by the method called as group replacement theory. 13 November 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some of the primary goals of an asset replacement policy are as follows: to achieve an optimal interval for each asset, to develop an appropriate replacement mix based on the type of facility, facility life cycle and asset behavior, to ensure the lowest possible cost, economies of scale.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.